Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We're super excited about another listing we have here in the Bay Area. Now, Alia, when you look at the Bay Area, all the pockets of the Bay Area are super hot, right? Santa Clara County, Alameda County, San Mateo County, Contra Costa County. Every pocket is doing really well. However, Fremont, for some reason, is just literally on fire.
It literally is, Eddie. And
Right.
this particular home is perfect for a young family. It has an oversized lot,
Right.
great Fremont schools, and it's just perfectly done up. You have to take a look.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 811 Neon Terrace, a bright and airy single-story home in a sought-after central Fremont location on a quiet cul-de-sac with convenient guest parking. Enter a spacious open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, a cozy gas fireplace and French doors leading you to an outdoor oasis, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and freshly painted oak cabinets. The sprawling master suite has a vaulted ceiling, expansive windows allowing an abundance of natural light, and a large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. The enormous, oversized backyard has a well-manicured lawn, lovely patio, and many fruit shrubs including guava, fig, lemon, orange, and pomegranate, all for your family's delight. This very functional home has ample space for extra storage, including an attic with a convenient pull-down ladder and additional storage in the garage. Enjoy desirable Parkmont schools in a very nice, family-friendly neighborhood. The home is walking distance to BART and major tech shuttle stops. Easy commuter location near 880 and Dunbarton Bridge. Close to the Fremont hub, Whole Foods, Lake Elizabeth, nice parks, and hospitals. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you witnessed, it's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Leverage us, and we'll talk to you soon.